Hey, Yumi, what are you doing?
Hey, do you see the dinosaur? I want to zoom in to catch the dinosaur.
Oh, okay, let me help you.
Huh?
See. Nah.
Wow, how do you get it all?
Easy, because I use the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 100 times space zoom. Sawadee crowd and Sabari my crowd, welcome to the Boxing King. Yes, as you've seen it, today we're gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So what's so ultra about it? Let's check it out. So welcome back, and yes, we've got the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra fresh here in front of me. Can you feel it? Oh god. Okay, quit making jokes. So now let's open up the box. So open up the box, we have the menu, the SIM pin 2, and also silicone cover, got the phone itself, and the 25-watt charging brick, and a USB-C to C cable. So now, as usual, box caterpie. Now let's carefully peel off the protective layer of the phone. Woo! So now, let's look into the design of the phone. This time, Samsung comes with the 6.9-inch 120Hz less curved dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which I felt it's better looking visually and also on the vulnerability, because at least you won't get any accidental crack on the side. So this large display, which is almost 7-inch, has the thin bezels on the side and also 240Hz touch response. And it also comes with the ultrasonic fingerprint in-screen sensor. And let me tell you this, once you've experienced the smoothness of it, you'll never get rid of it. As on the rear, the large camera bump will make it more bulkier and clumsy when you place it on the table. But this is all because of the powerful camera setup, which I'll get to it in a bit. So enough with the design, let's talk about what's inside this beast. This is the only Samsung Galaxy S20 series in Malaysia that comes with the 5G network capabilities. And this Samsung S20 Ultra comes with a 12GB of RAM, 128GB of storage capacity, and also, if you're not satisfied with it, you can add up to 1TB of external storage. That's so, the moment you've all been waiting for, the camera setup. So now let's talk about it. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra comes with a huge 108MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide camera, an in-depth sensor, and also a 48MP 10x telephoto lens, which Samsung also named it as the folded zoom lens. This camera setup is Samsung's biggest optical upgrade since 2016. And on the front, it has a 40MP selfie camera. To show off this ultra camera capabilities, Samsung has added this new feature called the Space Zoom, which is a combination of hybrid optic and super resolution technology, which allows you to zoom up to 100 times. And I personally tried it, and it's really something to look out for. So here's the picture samples. So those are the pictures that I took out of this device, and the other cool feature that I want to share with you guys is the new single take feature, which allows you to take a 10-second shot and produce out with stills, filters, and also even boomerang. And the other thing that worth mention is this device can take up to 8K resolution of video recording. So with all that powerhouse, this Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra equips with a 5000 mAh battery capacity, which is 11% larger than the last year Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. So lastly, the price. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is priced at 4,999 ringgit. So with all the capabilities in this phone, is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra the phone you've been waiting for this year? Let me know in the comment below, and as always, do like and subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. I'm Joshua. See you next time.